Hello friends, it's me Teddy. Today, we will be drawing a famous character from Pokemon, Mega Charizard. Let's begin. To start, we'll draw an S shape for the torso. From the middle of the S, draw a reverse C curve and a reverse hook shape. Then, draw a straight line that ends in a circular shape. Draw these circles back to back and join the line with the upper part of the reverse C curve. Now, let's draw the second leg. Begin with a reverse C curve and then create a reverse 6 shape for the toes. Continue by making 2 more circles for the remaining toes. Next, draw a small C curve and continue it with a bigger C curve to complete the leg. Moving on to the arms, create a curved shape and draw 2 devilish horns on its sides. From one end of the arm, draw an S shape with some C curves to form the fingers. Join it with the other side of the arm. Repeat the same steps for the other hand. Now, let's draw the head. Start by drawing 2 F-like shapes. Add a small U shape to complete the lower jaw. For the upper jaw, draw a hook-like shape. Add 2 teeth below and connect the 2 jaws with a C curve to create the tongue. Draw 1 horn above the head and connect it with the nose below. Add a C curve above for the head and draw the other horns. For the fire coming out of its mouth, use some curved lines. Make an egg-like shape for its eye and add a curved line inside to complete the eye. Use curved lines for the nose and an angry expression. Let's move on to the tail. Draw 2 big curves next to each other and join them by drawing some flames. Start a question mark-like shape from one of its shoulders and further create a curved V shape. Connect its other end to the shoulder and add curved V shapes to complete its wing. Complete the neck and add 2 horns at the back. Also, draw an F-like shape to show its back wings. Finally, draw a border on its belly to complete our super cute Mega Charizard. Yay! I hope you guys like my video. I'll be coming up with more. Until then, happy drawing!